Yes. My name is Lars Altmann. I'm working for a FIMA company in Germany. We are a manufacturer of blower and compressors, and we are the registration sponsor here for this event. And yes, as I mentioned before, we make blowers and compressors for the process gas industry, for petrochemical, for chemical, for refineries, and also for the steel industry and so on. The experience was very good with these meetings. We had very good contacts here, and it was very well organized from the ladies from your company, and was a very good thing up to now. Yes, as I mentioned before, the organization is super. Everything you want and expect, it's given here, and it's perfect organized. Yes, for sure. And I already plan to give a presentation there, because this year we are only with the booth here, but next year we plan to give also a presentation. We want to increase our turnover. At the moment is 35 minutes, and our owner has the plan to increase to 70 millions a year. So we are very active in sales and in customer networking and so on.